Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the small little haul, and this is from online from LDRS Stamp and Die Company. Oh God, excuse me. I'm trying to see if I have my receipt with me. Let me, I think it's right under here. I'm trying to see what, these were on from their clearance. Yes, I do have it, okay. So shipping was pretty fast, got here really fast after I ordered stuff, everything. Let's see. This is a 2-pack of embossing folders. It's called Majestic Label Dies and Majestic Frame Dies. And like I said, this is LDRS Creations. And that's what they look like on the back. And these are A2. This little darling rubber stamp. But very nice, pretty looking embossing folders. You can't see that too well, but I can. So that's a good deal. And I think these were $1.35. For the embossing folders. And of course, they usually do this every year at clearance. They have some embossing folding dies on sale. Then I got this word die, and I think this is $1.25. And this is bright, obviously, and it has a little star right there. So that's how it is. Isn't that pretty purple? Look at that purple die. Beautiful. And this is, excuse me, 1.86 by 3.0. This one says cheer, and it has a present on top of it. And this is the same price, $1.25. This is 1.9 by 2.8. And if you compare my hand to it, you can kind of get a comparison. I'm trying to see. Then I got 2 of these. I thought they were bigger than what they were. One for my giveaway. But I thought these would be something most people can use because they're oval labels. And it's called Gilded Oval Labels. It's a 3-piece set, and it coordinates with the doily and embossing folders. Well, it was smaller than I thought, but you still can use this as a nice label. And this is nice and pink. So pretty easy to find on your table. Just like those purple ones. You drop something. And then this one is Gilded Doily die, which also is supposed to coordinate with this gilded oval. So you can layer those. So that's what that looks like. And again, nice size. I love how they give you the dimensions on the back. This is an 8-piece set. This is fancy squares and little things. So it's 8 pieces, and I give an example of how to use it right here. So you got the button, the heart. These are all buttons because you got the little 4 holes inside of those. And then you got your half one right here, so you can make you a half circle at the top of a piece of paper if you want to do a moon round card. So that's 8 pieces. So you got your nesting dies if you want to layer it, and then cut the top of the paper that way, and then you got these embellishments that you can use. So pretty nice. Oh, I didn't tell you the price on this one. This one, the fancy squares, $2.45. That was the most expensive one. This gilded doily was $1.90. This gilded ovals was $1.30, and these were $1.25. Majestic rectangles label. This one was $1.85, and this is a 4-piece set. And the packaging is way bigger than what it is, but still a nice label size, but big packaging. So 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is 4 pieces. I missed that piece right there. 4 pieces. Okay. This is the Dewdrop Circle, and the Dewdrop Circle was $2.25. Still very cheap. And a nice packaging. So these of course can nest on top of each other. They can make it as a doily, dewdrop, whatever, but they will label nicely, and that's a nice size, you know, and nice designs. So it's 2 dies, and I didn't remember ordering this one. Background builders. This is a 6-piece set, and let's see, this was $2.50. So these are basically like some strips, the end piece, inside piece, and then the outside piece to cut it out. So you can cut this into the paper, or you can use this outer piece to cut it out of the paper. So let's take those 3 dies and make it use it another way. And then the last one I got, this was $9.99. This is a penny for, excuse me, the builder card. And this one, I liked it before. I thought it was a little bigger, but I do like it. But this is the outer one out here, or the dress form, is so you can cut it into the card to make the card the shape of the dress. I was looking at it to maybe make an album out of this. So you can also not use the outer ring and just use this inner one right here. And then you can use both of these to make a little apron type thing and some flowers and stuff. So that's an example of that. And it wasn't stuck. I think it was like $30, and this was $10. It was a 15-piece set. So, and the dimensions is 5.16 by 4.5. That's the largest. Although I thought it was a little larger. Oh, sorry. It says 5 by 4 by 4 by 5 by 4 by 4 by 0.7. So that's the largest. So again, the size of your hand. So. Alright, well, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And if they haven't, go check that page out, because they may still be having a sale. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care.